So my whole life, I've been pretty claustrophobic. I've always been uncomfortable, like, thinking about going into a cave or, like, crawling under the bed. And I thought it would be cool to take that idea and turn it into a horror game. Obviously, people have done claustrophobia horror games before, but I wanted to do something different. The first thing I decided was I would have the player crawling through these vents. And I wanted to have it so you're not actually controlling the camera. You're just using the W, A, and D keys to decide which direction to go. So I modeled up some vents, slapped them into Unreal, and got some player movement going, and this is how it was looking. Next, I added some camera shake for when the player is moving, as well as a new obstacle where you have to click to open up this vent cover. I also added hurt animation for if you choose the wrong direction to go. And finally, I added a mechanic for looking back over your shoulder when the player presses S. But I did not get to modeling the monster, which I will do in the next video. Speaking of, here are the things that I've got to do in the next video. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the objectives. So, what do we need for this game to come into its own as a successful project? First of all, we need an enemy. We need something for the player to run from in order for the game to be fun. Number 2, a title and menu. We need a name for the game and a way for the player to navigate into the game. And number 3, a death animation. Now, I would say these 3 things are just what you need to create a minimum viable product, which is basically the bare minimum that you could call it a game. I think you need these things. Let's add a couple more things that we can do to make the game more fun. More obstacles. Okay, sure. We'll say these are the things we want to focus on in the next video to get our game up to where we want it to be. Mainly these 3 things so I can get a demo out for all of you to play. Yo, if you like the video, can you subscribe and like, please, and follow my TikTok and my Twitch? Thank you.